Hi, today I'm making cucumber and dill dip using yogurt cheese. And the first thing you want to do is one English cucumber, regular cucumber, any kind of cucumber, honestly. But we're just going to grate this. So I'm going to sprinkle about a half of a teaspoon of kosher salt and just mix that into my cucumbers. I'm going to set them in the strainer and let them drain about 15 minutes. And this salt is going to help extract all the moisture from the cucumbers. So I'm just going to set those aside. So while I'm waiting for my cucumbers, I'm going to get all the rest of the ingredients for my dip. And you see how thick this yogurt cheese gets. Now this one I did let sit for drain for 2 days, so it's definitely extra thick. But I think I really like that in my dip. So I'm going to start with a half a cup because you can always come back and add more. And then a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. So I'm going to do a half a teaspoon of my onion powder and a half a teaspoon garlic powder and about a quarter of a teaspoon of fresh cracked pepper. Now because I salted that cucumber, it's going to still hold some salt, so I'm not going to put any salt in here. I can always add some salt later. And then beautiful fresh dill, and I'm going to chop a quarter of a cup of fresh dill. Now this is obviously a dip, and you can use this dip any way you would use a dip, whether that be for vegetables or for crackers. But I am using mine for an Easter buffet. So I'm using these little, cute little sweet peppers that I'm going to stuff this dip into. So our 15 minutes are up, and you can see how much moisture has already been released from that. So I'm going to put that on a flour sack towel. So we're just going to wring this until I don't think there's any more moisture out of there that I can possibly get. And this, don't throw this away. This is good stuff. Honestly, I just drink it. I love it. But it's also great and put a little bit in like your gin and tonic, or if you're making homemade Bloody Mary mix or homemade V8. So don't throw it away. It's good stuff. And if you don't think you're going to use it right away, pop it in the freezer and save it for one of those moments when you're like, hey, I need some cucumber juice. Into our bowl here. I'm going to mix. I'm going to taste. And then I'm going to add more yogurt if I need it, or a little more salt if I need it. And I think this definitely needs some more yogurt. So just start by adding a tablespoon or two at a time. I do want this kind of thick because I'm going to stuff these little peppers with it. Now, just like any dip that you make, when it sits for a little bit, it's definitely going to enhance the flavor, and those flavors are going to develop. So it's always good to make your dips up a little bit in advance. So I'm going to stuff these little peppers here with this. I saw a picture of this and I thought I have to recreate that because it's just so cute. And I thought it was a good idea. So we're recreating it. And so you stuff your little peppers, and then take some of that fresh dill and just snip off a bit of the top, and then you stick it down in there, and then they look like little stuffed carrots. Isn't that cute? I just thought that was such a cute idea that we had to do it ourselves. Now I will tell you, sometimes they don't want to sit all pretty and flat, and you just take the back, just take a little bit of the flat off of the back, make it flat, and then here you are, beautiful, healthy, cute Easter appetizer idea. Thanks for watching, y'all. Let me know if you make it. Send me a picture. Bye. See y'all later.